True salute my country people them. I hope so na define. Me na Ekuna man, me na Bamenda man, me na Bakwere man, and I be proudly una brother. Una understand no? I want to talk for una about this matter where it happened for Fecafoot. Una know say since long time. Now war, query. The one go talk this one, the other one go talk this one. Una know why? Na palava money all that things on na money. I don't explain how plenty people and plenty times say people when they fight Eto. Most of them, I don't say all, most of them, their interest na mburu. They will win their mburu with Fecafoot. The way the team be there that time, so kind of uru way. Now Eto don't come, he want put order for the matter. He say una mo work straight, una mo do so. This one I be do yesterday, he not fine. Una mo respect this one, una mo respect player, una mo pay salary for player. He talk that thing under camera. We president for club they be there for some meeting. They hear him. Say money where he give una. When FIFA they give cap the game. You know if he give una other money if una know the pay salary for player. And then money where governor the senate mo give una. Una must justify say una don't pay salary for una player before we give una ramburu. Now talk that way somebody to talk am. President for club they be vexed. You know they talk for who not be small picking. Okay, we not be small picking. But how una fit go create club? It's like business. Someone create business. He recruit people for work for you. He need to pay them, and then he imagine say me the business work correctly. Which business fit work when una recruit people the way una no fit una no dey pay them? No business no the way fit work like that one. Any man where they work any work, he need salary. He need to me the pay. So when a man talk say when a two man say me una pay, una not one pay. So my brother and they call me, they tell me say this so Senator why they were defend that man so. I don't tell my brother say no na defend palava. We as Anglophone we suffer, we get stress, we get problem, we get the kiwi because waiting of injustice. We fight, we talk about justice. This people they propose to an injustice with brutality. When you see what the past of Fecafoot, now the same thing. Now so small event, where they call us EP phenomenon. Small thing where they turn BB thing, where we not take care. So the two way they happen for Fecafoot, now the way you and me we supposed to understand them before they talk about. People where they do for coach, they do this, they do that. Now people where surround them, they don't manipulate them. Surround them, they don't understand what will take place. Surround them, they chop muru for palaba, that's for Ndamba. Inside Ndamba palaba, they chop muru. If not, now which country where the face is a coach legend, and then they ask other people say me the respect so one the way they never reach career for that legend then. Now only for Cameroon that one take place. President for some club the way they know the pay salary. They accuse Victoria United, saying that Victoria United and Bob Didi they pay referee they blow their match war. Bob Didi he said they don't sanction me. They don't say go pay 10 baton. I think they pay 10 baton. And then they don't see for inside stadium. For Sika weti. For Sika say if you go talk for if you go attack some referee and say una dey so na be fake people. Now he pay referee them make they blow match against Bamutus Buddha. Now he pay referee them make they blow match against that one. It gets sense. The president for club where they say they fight Etoso. They know they pay salary for their player them. They need pay salary. They ask the same they justify before they give the money. They no one justify. So when they don't go now say they don't cut book for Samuel Eto'o. Other one they actually don't pass my power. Say they don't cut book. They want carry you go for court. They must judge you. Say they don't to money for Gomna. You don't to money for Gomna. That man no they touch that money. That money they have for some account. Where the only person where if he make a me they send the money for team them. Now some accountant where it work for Ministry of Finance. Where a total says na document in that send up for the account, when a club account because they born up for football club them. Now you go send up. But they know what talking to send up. So all that people ready, the man who go call the book, who do this, hey, you don't see money where they give us me give we. Now people ready no one pay salary for their player them.